Wow, this is a part 2 of the fall video in downtown Stamford, Connecticut, Mill River Park. Once again, Gone Rising. Thank you, nature. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to enjoy the beauty of your skin, to enjoy the beauty of life. I give thank you for that every day. Even I have some background of the video, but it is what it is. People's already awake. I can avoid the business side on it. As you can see, the Hipton Hotel. I can skip that, but I did the first part. The video come out beautifully. I like the color. The color so beautiful. That's a part of Mother Earth. When the fall show you different color, the beauty. The spring show you different, the beauty of it. And then the winter shows you different type. And summer show you different type. That's the beauty of the earth, which is a mother Gaia. And the sun, you can see all beauty. The colors, the different color, different environment, different trees. We give thank you for that. And I feel like, why not do a second video? Because the first one I did was a little bit too short. I didn't know how it was gonna look like, but that's it look very nice. The beautiful fall, very, very, very nice. I enjoy it. Gonna soon I get home, upload it in my video in my YouTube channel and enjoy everything of it. And then for the people that I know who saw my channel, they be able to, I know you guys be able to enjoy the fall as well. Wow, look at the leaves on the ground. Look at beauty, the beauty of nature, the beauty of the roots of the plant, the roots of the trees, the roots of you can see the work, pretty much the roots of everything. Give thanks to nature. Love and light. I don't want my finger on it, and I don't want to take everybody on it neither. Wow. Sorry guys, I was focusing on in the area. I don't want everybody on now. I don't want everybody in my video. So I kinda stopped talking. Sorry about that. But it is amazing. The beauty of nature, the beauty of love, what we give to Mother Earth. It is a maze. Look how beautiful the ground is. Wow. So priceless. Really, really nice. Look at the ground, looks so nice. I think I saw my image on it. I don't want to, but sorry guys if you hear the background, because people's already in the park playing. Wow, I like the beauty of the trees. Look at the ground. It's nice. The fall, beautiful nature, the trees. Wow, it's amazing. It is amazing. People enjoy their weather. Some of them leave the house, come, and then see the beauty of Earth. The beauty of what Mother Earth gave us. I don't want my finger on my picture, in my video. So I can go down with the sound of the water. Whew. It is beautiful. If I'd be able to put some music in the background, that would be amazing. Wow, it's nice. This is my first video in the fall. So beautiful. How the earth gives us everything. And Father, the Son, give us everything. It is beautiful. Thank you, Mother and Father. Thank you, our cosmic. Thank you, our woods, culture, and voodoo, which is nature. Thank you to you. The water is not dry yet. Still beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sadly, I already have too many people in the park. I don't want everybody on my photo. But it is what it is. Some people love to see nature. I'm gonna get the bottom part. Look at the ground. Thank you, Mother Earth. So the beauty of the walk, the beauty of the land is so amazing. Wow. Thank you. Look at these colors. Wow. Whoa. So precious. So precious. Oh, amazing. Everything. My shoulder is killing me, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna take every colors I can to show the beauty of the town where I live in Connecticut. It's amazing. You want to fall, spring, winter, all year round. Wow. Beautiful. I like the breeze of the tree. You can see how I'm missing the birds singing today. You can see the beauty of nature. That's the only thing I miss. The bird usually here singing. I miss that part. Today the geese are not here. The water is getting low. I don't have the geese. That's all I miss today. Beautiful. I don't want these kids in my video sitting there smoking marijuana, smoking weed. These young kids don't have no idea. They destroy themselves by smoking garbage, putting garbage in their lungs. They have no idea. Tell them good luck. They don't get it. They don't have They cannot focus to learn by smoking this. Line up that synthetic herb and the system. Wow, the sun so beautiful. Look at that beautiful. Look like 10-minute video. Look at how beautiful the sun is today. Wow, it's just amazing, 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 amazing. Wow. Thank you. I guess this is it. This is it. Get some of the water, the leaves. That will be it for my video. I'm done videoing. Don't want too much noise, too much background on it. But it's fall. I kind of pretty much get everything I need. Yep, I guess I did. That's it. This is it. Fall is fall. Alright. Have a powerful day, everybody. Love and light. Peace on earth, especially in Haiti and Haiti. That going to a lot of challenges. Always go to challenges, but we're gonna make it like we always do. Because Asian people are warrior, they fighter. No matter how the enemy try to destroy them, they're not gonna win. They're gonna lose. Love and light to my people and all over the world. Peace on earth. Love and light to Mother GAIA. Peace. Peace to everyone, to the children, to the babies, to the elders. And peace to me. Love and light to me. I love myself first. But if I don't, I won't be able to love anybody. I will love myself first. Peace on earth. Peace, peace, peace on earth. Take care for now. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.